In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a WooCommerce product that lets customers book by the day and automatically adds a security deposit to the booking. We'll use two plugins, Bookings for WooCommerce to handle the date-based booking logic, and Product Add-Ons Ultimate to attach the deposit. The security deposit will be added to the cart as a separate line item, making it simple for you to refund it directly from the WooCommerce order screen once the booking is completed. First, we'll create the security deposit as a standard WooCommerce simple product. Go to Products, Add New, and give the product a name like Security Deposit. Under Product Data, make sure the product type is set to Simple Product, then enter the deposit amount in the regular price field. In this example, we're using $50. Click Publish to save the product and make a note of the product ID from the URL. Next, create your bookable product. Go to Products, Add New, and give your product a name. In the Product Data panel, open the Product Type dropdown and select Booking. Click the Booking Settings tab. Under Units, set the booking unit to day. Under Dates, you can set minimum and maximum booking lengths as needed. In the Pricing section, enter your base price in the Standard Price field. This is the per day rate that will be multiplied by the number of days when customers select their dates. Now we'll attach the security deposit. Click the Product Add-Ons tab, then Add Group and Add Field. Set the field label to Deposit, field type to Products, and enter the security deposit product ID in the default field. Click the Products tab within the field settings. Select your security deposit product under Child Products. Set Products Layout to Radio List and Products Quantities to 1 only. Click Update to save. That's it. Your product page will now show a date picker, duration calculator, cost display, and pre-selected security deposit option. When customers add the product to their cart, both the booking cost and security deposit appear as separate line items. When the booking is complete, you can easily refund just the security deposit from the WooCommerce order screen without refunding the entire order.